My dear ladies, you have listened the story The Slave and the Lion, Ghulam or Sher in video number 1407. Now, I am dictating you some questions based upon the story. Please take your notebook and pen or pencil and start writing the questions. Now listen and write the questions. Question number 1. What is the name of the story? Please write the questions now. After completing the questions, you have to write the answers. Now please write, what is the name of the story? Please don't see towards your mobile or computer or laptop. It is your dictation work. Question number 1. What is the name of the story? What do you mean by fable? Or what do you understand by fable? Now please write the question in Hindi. प्रश्न नंबर 1. कहानी का नाम क्या है? कहानी का नाम क्या है? फेबल से आप क्या समझते हैं? फेबल से आप क्या समझते हैं? क्वेश्चन नंबर 2. Who ran away from his master's house? अपने मालिक के घर से कौन भाग गया? अपने मालिक के घर से कौन भाग गया? Question number 3. Where did he hide? Where did he hide? वह कहाँ छिप गया? वह कहाँ छिप गया? Question number 4. Who appeared in the cave? Who appeared in the cave? गुफा में कौन प्रकट हुआ? गुफा में कौन आ गया? What did the lion do? Question number 5. What did the lion do? शेर ने क्या किया? शेर ने क्या किया? Question number 6. What was the condition of the lion's paw? Please write. What was the condition of the lion's paw? P-A-W, paw. Paw means पंजा. शेर के पंजे की क्या स्थिति थी? Question number 7. What did the slave do with the thorn embedded in lion's paw? सिंह, शेर, शेर के पंजे में लगे कांटे का गुलाम ने क्या किया? Question number 8. Who became friends? कौन दोस्त बन गए? Question number 9. What punishment was given to the slave when he was caught again by the servants of his master? गुलाम को उसके स्वामी के सेवकों द्वारा फिर से पकड़े जाने पर क्या दंड दिया गया? Question number 10. What happened when a lion was released in the arena. क्या हुआ जब एक शेर को अखाड़े में छोड़ा गया? Question number 11. Did the lion attack the slave in the arena? क्या शेर ने अखाड़े में गुलाम पर हमला किया? Question number 12. What did the lion do when he was released in the arena? अखाड़े में छोड़ने के बाद शेर ने क्या किया? Question number 13. What did the audience clamor? दर्शकों ने किस बात पर हंगामा किया? Question number 48. What did the governor of the town decree? नगर के मुख्य अधिकारी ने क्या फरमान आदेश सुनाया? नगर के मुख्य अधिकारी ने क्या आदेश सुनाया? Now question number 15. What's the moral of the story? What is the moral of the story? कहानी से हमें क्या नैतिक शिक्षा मिलती है? क्वेश्चन नंबर 16, यह किस देश की कहानी है? This is the story of which country? Or the story belongs to which country? This story belongs to which country? Now question number 17. यह कहानी इतिहास में किस नाम से दर्ज है? By what name is this story recorded in history? Who was the storyteller? Question number 18. Who was the storyteller of Aesop's Fables? Who was the storyteller of Aesop's Fables? एसॉप्स फेबल्स का कहानीकार कौन था? क्वेश्चन नंबर 19. What should we do? What should we do if someone does a favor to us? अगर कोई हमारे ऊपर उपकार करे तो हमें क्या करना चाहिए? अगर कोई हमारे ऊपर उपकार करे, एहसान करे, हमारा फेवर करे तो हमें क्या करना चाहिए? Question number 28. If you get an opportunity whom would you like to do a favor upon? Write in 30 words. Write in 30 words. If you get an opportunity, whom would you like to do a favor upon? Write in 30 words. अगर आपको अवसर मिले तो आप किस किस पर उपकार करना चाहेंगे? 30 शब्दों में लिखिए. And now, please write the answers yourself in Hindi and English both. Please listen it carefully. You have to write the answers in Hindi and English both. And my latest, you will get such type of story daily now. Thank you. Jai Hind. Jai Bharat.